afternoon, sir.
Yes, good evening, all of you.
Sir,
Yeah, tell.
I was absent in previous class.
Yeah, it is there in our WhatsApp. Recording is there.
Okay, sir. I will.
Okay. So today our topic is calendar. So generally from this topic, question types are this one. See. Yes, see. Question types are finding the number of odd days. Finding the number of what are these odd days we'll see later. Okay, finding the number of odd days in a given duration. Next, second model is finding the finding the weekday of the given date. He will give any particular date. So day, month, and year. He will give any particular date. What is the weekday for this date? Okay. Next, third is based on the date. Based on one date, finding the day of the week for another date. Okay. Suppose question can be like this. He will give any particular date. If this date is some Sunday, if this date is Sunday, then what will be the day for another date? He will give any other day, and what will be this day? So purely based on these two things, we need to find this one, right? Yeah. Next model is based on the present day, finding the past and future days. Past and future days. Suppose if today is Sunday, what will be the day after 120 days? Suppose if today is a Monday, what will be the day after 300 days? Or it can be 25 days. Yes. Tell.
How can we find, sir?
Sir?
Sir, how can we find, sir?
How can we find all those things? We'll see. Okay, these are the just.
Really 300 days.
Yes, we can. Okay.
Sir, if today is Sunday, after 120 days, it will be Monday.
After 1 day, after 8 days, after 15 days, it will be Monday
So,
only.
like 1 week.
Sir, you will teach, right, how we have to find.
Tell, somebody asked this. Who asked this? Bhargav.
No, sir, I told, sir. Like, after, if today is Sunday, after 120 days, it will be Monday.
What will be this? What will be the day after 120 days? That can be the question. Or it can be what will be if today is Sunday, what will be the day before 120 days also? Okay.
Monday.
So based on the present day,
In which day it will come on 1959, the last error. How would it?
oh, is it connected now? Here, power gone.
Sir, I'm not able to see.
Here, power gone.
Because of
Are you able
rain.
to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Screen we are able to see.
It is connected through my mobile hotspot.
Sir, you told last time once. You have any doubt, means you will clarify. Said that Venn diagram.
Yes.
I have a doubt, sir. Means that numbers I'm not understanding, sir. How to draw Venn diagrams in numbers.
Okay. Even after watching the same video,
Yes, sir.
Stayan,
Yes, sir.
you watched our previous video.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here power came. Suppose there are two categories are there. Speaking Telugu. Suppose it is 50. Speaking Hindi. Suppose it is 60. and there is a total of 110 members, sorry, 100 members are there. Sorry, 150 members are
So
there.
how 100? Yeah.
150, okay. There is a total of 150 members are there in a colony or in a city, something.
Okay.
This one I'm taking Telugu speaking, and this one I'm taking Hindi speaking persons. Okay. Total of how many persons are there?
150.
150.
Telugu speaking persons are.
50.
Oh, sorry, 50.
Can I write this as 50?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Why?
But like you have to include it in both the things.
Yeah, here he has to give one more information. Just wait. So here we cannot write 50 because
You can add both.
this is 50.
Both.
This total is Telugu, right? This total circle is Telugu, not only this portion. Not only this portion. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And he has to give one more information. Speaking both.
40.
Both it is suppose 10. Okay. Or otherwise 15 I will take. Can speak both is 15. Shreya, now tell me, how many speak Telugu?
50.
50. Given.
50 plus 50, yes, sir. Given it is 50, sir, the total circle will come as 65.
Yeah, this total circle is of 50
Yes, yes, sir.
because it is Telugu circle. So this total circle is of 50.
Yes, sir.
How many speak Hindi?
60, sir.
60.
60. Means this total circle is of 60.
Yes, sir.
How many can speak both?
15.
15
Where we can place that 15?
between.
Between.
In the middle.
Middle
Middle, sir.
intersection portion. This is 15 members. Okay. So in this total circle,
For the both should be like a 50, right?
sorry,
So like the people, number of people speaking both the languages should be 40, right?
why 40? That is given information.
Like a 50
This
plus
all
60
information
plus,
is given in the question only.
then so if total number of people is 150 on adding 50, 60 and 15, we don't get the, we don't get 150, right?
Yeah, we
Those
don't.
rest all people might not speak Telugu and Hindi at all.
There may be some more persons who cannot speak these two languages. Out of 150, there should be some more persons who cannot speak these two languages also.
So then we include some more diagrams, right? Then
No. See, this is the given information in the question. For this information, we are drawing the diagram and we are placing the numbers. Okay. So first we'll start from the middle. How many can speak both?
15.
15.
In this Telugu circle, already 15 is written. How many more remaining?
50.
No. In this Telugu 15 is already
35.
remaining. 35 should be in this region. These 35 members are in this region. Now you got it, Shreyan?
Yes, sir.
So the total circle is of 50 only.
Yes. Then, no, sir, last time you gave a question, no, sir, one question.
Yeah, similar
Who are
question.
speak?
Similar
Similar
question.
question, also, but somewhat I'm not understanding that question. That D1, I think.
Okay, this is understood or not?
Yes, sir, this is understood.
After watching this one, after taking this one, you try one more time the same question, previous question. You will
Okay,
get-
sir. Okay, sir.
Will let us complete this diagram.
Okay.
In this
Okay.
Hindi circle, how many are there?
60.
In that
60.
60, how many are written already? How many are taken out?
So then
15.
45.
45, 15, 40.
45 should be in this region.
Yes, sir.
You add these three numbers. If you add these three numbers, total is how much?
50, 110, 120.
One,
125.
120?
5.
5. Yes.
125, sir.
Out of 150 members, 125 members are having at least one hobby. Sorry, at least can speak one language. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
about
sir.
the remaining 25 persons?
You will not speak anything.
Yeah, they cannot
Yeah,
speak
don't
these two
speak
languages, not
English.
anything. These two languages they cannot speak.
Okay, okay.
Kavya, now is it okay?
yes, sir.
None of them is 25 members. None of them means the people who cannot speak Telugu and Hindi.
There is mains or advanced, this type of questions can come, na, sir.
Yes, sir. Then.
Sorry?
In mains and advanced, these questions can come. G mains.
Maybe. So
Okay.
all those, none of them will be in this region.
The logical reasoning comes in JEE.
Yeah. It is there in JEE.
Maximum calendar questions they will ask,
So,
sir.
no, I think
Maximum in
it is in
JEE.
JEE also there will be
Yeah, I
some
don't think it's
logical
there.
reasoning.
The maximum calendar questions they will ask more, sir.
Okay, let us continue with the calendar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because it's already 12 minutes over. And you are you asked it in the middle. Okay, you should ask in the beginning only. Okay, these are the models, and for the model is okay. Based on the present day, we can find the past and future days also. Right. Next to see finding the date for any day in a month of given year. Suppose your question can be like this: what will be the date of date of second Saturday in the month of July 1885? Suppose. What is the date of second Saturday in the month of July 1885? Can you say the answer directly?
No, sir.
No, but we can say after the class. Okay.
Sir, we can.
Yeah, you can say the answer by taking a mobile, right?
But we should
Not like in a mind
No,
place,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Sir. Okay. See, and the last model is a repetitive calendar. So have you heard anywhere same calendar or repetitive calendar?
No, sir.
The calendar which we are using in 2021, the same calendar we can reuse it. In future, we can reuse it. Same calendar.
Yes, sir. But we have to add or subtract 1 day.
No, sir, some days change, like some
No,
festival. days
exactly.
So
change.
dates will not refer, right?
No, date.
Yes.
No, it'll be like we have to add 1 day. Like
No,
that.
no, need to add also.
Add or subtract, something like that. Similar. Sir.
No. Calendar is same. Repetitive calendar. What is meant by repetitive? It should be same.
Sir,
So,
I think
2010
and Christian, sir.
The same calendar, exactly the same calendar, without any modification, we can reuse it in future. So
Gotcha.
he will give the question like that only. When we can use the same calendar of 2021.
Sir, will it be in like 2028?
No,
2029, 2029,
no.
2030, 2030.
Wait.
7, I guess.
I'll explain all those things. Okay, these are the models we are going to see, and before that, we should see all the concepts. Okay. And to solve the calendar questions, we have two types of techniques. One is a general, or we can say standard method. One is the standard method, and another is a shortcut method. So we'll see which one. We'll see standard or shortcut.
Shortcut.
Shortcut only.
Of course, shortcut, sir.
Shortcut.
Of course, sir.
Shortcut, sir.
No, you have to say both. Okay, without knowing the procedure, how can you know the value of shortcut? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can know the value of shortcut if you know the procedure only. Okay, this is the procedure we have to do, and this shortcut is reducing that much procedure. Then you will come to know the value of shortcut. We'll see both. Okay, and but the concepts are same for both standard method and shortcut method. We'll see the concepts first, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What are the types of years?
Non-leap year and leap year.
Leap year. What is the difference?
Leap year is after 4 years and non-leap years.
No, what is the
A
difference?
leap year is a year in which
A
number
leap
of
year has 366, but
Sir, leap year has
but,
360
the
days.
number of
And
days
non-leap year have
366.
365
Non-leap year
days.
366 days, and the non-leap year has only.
365.
365.
Is that 1 day extra?
Yes, sir.
Where is that 1 day extra?
After 4
February
years.
29.
Sir, February 29, sir.
Yes,
Yeah, it is
February.
there in February. February 29th is available in
every 4 years.
After
Every 4 years.
every 4 years.
Every 4
Yes,
Sir,
it
years.
is
2024,
leap
sir.
year, but it is not
Sir,
available. in
2024,
non-leap year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2024, sir.
Suppose if
It will
any year
available.
number is given, then how can you say that's a leap year or non-leap year? Suppose 1994, is it a leap year or non-leap year? How can you say? By counting the number of days.
So it will take a long time.
Then that
So
is
dividing it by 4.
in the beginning.
That
that-
divided it by
Divisible
4,
by
sir.
4, sir.
Yeah, that you have to say that point only first. what is the difference between a leap year and non-leap year? What is a leap year? Tell me, what is a leap year?
Dividing by 4.
Divided by 4. So actually every number is divisible by 4. Every number is divisible by 4. Is
No,
5 is
sir.
not divisible by 4?
No, sir.
The answer is not standard, right, sir?
It
The
should be
answer
like a whole number.
Divisible.
Question should be whole.
Yeah.
Sir, it should be 0, I guess.
It should be divisible.
Exactly divisible, right? Not divisible, exactly divisible. Because
But
every
sir,
number,
every number is not divisible, right?
yeah, 5 is divisible by 4 or not?
But sir, it is coming in point.
Yeah, that's why you have to mention like this. Any number exactly divisible by 4. Exactly divisible means a quotient, sorry, remainder should be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. That is your point, correct?
Yes, sir.
Any year which is divisible by,
So I just have a doubt. Why not 2? Why only 4?
here
Because leap year is done after
Yeah.
every 4 years.
one second, let me clear her doubt, and for all of you also. See, generally in in our logical reasoning, many topics are based on logics only, but there are 2 topics, they are related to real time. What are the 2 topics? One is calendar and another is,
Calendar and clocks.
so these 2 are the things which are related to our daily life or real time. So here
There
is,
again distance and direction also.
just let me complete my point first. Okay.
Related to time, sir?
Toshnika,
Yes, sir. So these both are related to time. Okay.
yeah, both are related to time only, but my point is both are related to our real time, correct? Daily life.
Yeah, yes.
Real time.
Yeah.
In these 2 topics, while solving these two topics, you should not think about much logics. You should not, you have to, because here we are already all the things are there. Just we are going to learn all those existing things.
Okay.
A year consists of 365 days. Why 365 days?
That's the universal fact.
Yeah, that's why we should learn the things only. We should,
Okay. Yes, sir.
we should learn existing things. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So here your point is why it is divisible by 4 only means they our scientists from the beginning, our scientists framed like that. Any year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. They have given that they have given a definition like that. Okay. Toshnika.
Yes, I'm clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
And now tell me, I'll give some year numbers. You try to identify which is a leap year and which is not a leap year. Identification of a leap year. I'm giving some year numbers. See, 1994. Is it a leap year or non-leap year?
Yes, sir, leap
No,
year.
sir. No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir, it's not.
No, sir,
No,
not,
sir.
no, not a leap year.
Okay, not a leap year. Okay, then 2004 is a leap year or non-leap year?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
1886.
Yes, sir, it is.
Sir, it's not a leap.
Not a leap year.
No, sir, not leap year.
2014,
Not a leap year, sir.
Not a leap year.
not a leap year. Okay. 1896.
Sir, it's a leap year.
It is a leap year.
It's a leap
Yes,
year.
it's a leap year.
It's a leap year.
Sir,
Yes, sir, it's a leap year.
Yes, sir. It is leap year.
Leap year. 1904
yes, sir.
Yes, it's a leap year.
Yes, sir. It is leap year.
leap year. Okay. 1996.
Yes, it's a leap year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2004.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Leap year.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
already given. Sir.
Yeah. Then 2000.
Leap year,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
1704.
Leap year, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it
Yes,
is.
sir. Yes, sir. It is.
1700.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1686.
Not a leap year.
It is not a
Not a
leap year.
leap
No,
year.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Not a leap year. Okay.
So one
Um,
question.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Tell.
Sir, if you told that we can write in point, so 1994 we can write in point, right?
Yeah. We can
Then-
write in points.
Then why
Here,
it is not leap year?
okay. Okay. See. any year which is, actually there should be a correction. Any year which is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. Is it okay now?
Yes.
1994 is not exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means remainder should be 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
But sir, what's the difference between being divisible and being exactly divisible?
Okay, see. Let
Sir,
me
I
go
have
here.
one doubt.
3 when divided by 2. 4 when divided by 2. Okay. 3 when divided by 2. In 3, how many times 2 will go?
So once.
1 time. 2 ones are 2, and the remainder is
So 1.
1. Okay. In 4, 2 how many times will go?
So twice.
2 times. So 2 2s are 4, and the remainder is
0.
0. So see here, the point is, if the remainder is 0, then the given number is exactly divisible by this number. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then the given number is not exactly divisible by that number.
Okay, sir.
So,
Yeah, exactly divisible
I have
means
one
remainder
doubt.
should be 0. Yeah, say, tell Sai.
Yes, sir. So, if can you scroll to the identification part?
Okay.
So, sir, between each leap year, it's mandatory that there has to be a 4-year gap, right?
No. It is not mandatory. Let me clear that. Let me clear this slide. Okay. After this slide, you will be clear.
Okay,
Clarity.
sir. Yes, sir.
And all of you, do you think all your answers are correct here?
So I think 1900 is not a leap year.
Yes, sir.
1900 is not a leap year. Then what about our definition? Any year number which is exactly
Sir, 1900 is a leap year, sir.
1900 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4. Yes or no? Okay, then why are you thinking it is not a leap year? Tell 1900 you are thinking it is not a leap year. Then what how, why? Who said
Yeah,
this?
it's a leap year.
Yes, sir, it is a leap year.
So maybe I am not sure.
Maybe not. I have done, sir.
Sir, it is the quotient is 475, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Quotient is not. Quotient is not. Sorry. Quotient can
Remainder
be
is
anything.
zero, sir.
It is
Remainder
exactly,
is
sir. It
zero.
is divisible by 4 exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who said it? Who said I think it is not a leap year? Who said?
Yeah, sir, I think my calculations went wrong.
No. Nothing. Who? What is your name?
Akshit, sir.
Akshit, your answer is correct. This is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. All of you, see
Sir,
here.
how?
That is what I'm telling.
Sir,
See,
so was I right?
1900 is not a leap year. There is
Oh,
a
okay,
correction.
sir.
There is not a correction. There is an extension for this rule. This is not the complete rule. Any year which is divisible by 4 is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. This is not the complete definition or complete point. So here there is an exemption. What is the, where is that exemption is? This rule is for except centuries. Okay. Except centuries, any year which is divisible by 4, exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year.
Okay.
And what about centuries?
So
So then all the centuries are not leap years, like in
No.
any.
No, there are leap centuries are there and non-leap centuries are there. So see here I'm writing the point for
Sir, your voice
centuries.
is breaking.
For centuries, we have to check divisibility by 400, not by 4. Okay, for centuries we have to check the divisibility by 400. All of you, are you there?
Sir, but we.
Yes, sir.
So your audio froze for a bit
Yes, sir.
along with the.
That's why I have written the point here.
Yes, I mean like we are not able to see that thing for a while.
Okay. See, I'm reading the point again. Except centuries, any year which is divisible by exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. Then what about centuries, sir? For centuries, we have to check the divisibility by 400, not by 4. Okay. 1994. It is not a century. That's why divisible by 4 is enough. Divisibility by 4. 94, sorry, first tell me this point. What is the divisibility rule for 4?
Sir, the last
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 Two numbers.
digit should be in
two
last
digits
the
should be divisible
multiples
by
of
4.
4.
Yeah, actually the point is not the last 2 digits, sir. Number formed by last 2 digits. Okay,
Sir, is it
Yes, sir.
addition
Even
of
our
last
form by
two
2
numbers?
digits be divisible
it
by
is
4.
not addition. See here, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this number divisible by 4?
No, sir, as 45 is not divisible by 4.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
sir.
45 is the number formed by last 2 digits, correct?
So it is not divisible by 4.
Because it is not divisible, then total number is not divisible. Suppose
Sir,
if the
here I have a doubt actually, like for
Yeah, tell.
century part.
tell.
Yeah. So, like as the rule stated above that by centuries, it should be divisible by exactly divisible by 4 to be a leap year. But then if 1900 is not a leap year, then how is 1904 a leap year? Like it's after 4 years, right?
That is also not mandatory. That is what I'm telling. After 4 years is not 100%, 100% correct. That is up to 90, 99, 90 to 95% is correct, not 100% correct.
Okay, sir. So then year before 4 years after the century and 4 years before the century, it's not correct for fully.
Yeah, let me clarify all those points here. So 1994, in that 1994 last 2 digits, number formed by last 2 digits is 94. Because 94 is not divisible, that is why it is not a leap year, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In 2004, 4 is divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why leap year. 86 divisible?
No, sir.
No, that's why not a leap year. 14 divisible?
No, sir.
No, that's
No,
why
sir.
not a leap year. 96 divisible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, yes. 96.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why it is a leap year. So keep it aside. Keep it aside. And 1904, is it divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes means it is a leap year. 96 divisible?
Yes, sir.
Yes means leap year. 4 divisible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's leap year. 2000, keep it aside. So 1704, divisible?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, divisible. That's why leap year. Keep it aside. 1886, divisible?
Yes, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no.
No, sir.
No means it is not a leap year. Now coming to centuries, 1900 by 400. If we cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 19 by 4 is divisible.
No, sir.
No
sir,
means it is not a leap year. Okay.
Okay, sir.
2000 by 400. If we cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 20 by 4 is it divisible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes means it's a leap year. 1700 by 400.
No, sir.
2 zeros, 2 zeros. 17 by 4
Yes.
is it divisible?
No.
No means it is not a leap year.
That's one doubt here, sir.
Sorry?
So one doubt here.
Yeah, tell Kavya.
So like after 4 years later, 1900, 1904 is a leap year, right?
Yes.
So 4 years
correct.
before should also be a leap year, right? So that 1904 is a leap year.
1904 is a leap year.
Yes, sir. To satisfy this condition, 4 years before 1900 should also be a leap year, right?
Yes,
That
correct.
if 1900 is not a leap year, then 1904 should not be a leap year, right?
Should not be. Why should not be?
So it was leap year it was after 4 years, right? Every 4 years.
Generally, not 100%. Generally, a leap year is after every 4 years. Generally, not 100%. So generally is not guaranteed for always. Okay, it is not always, Kavya. It is not always. Generally, for every 4 years, there is a leap year. Okay, see, a person celebrated his birthday on 29th February, some 1896. A person celebrated his birthday on 29th February 1896. When will be his next birthday?
So 1901.
28.
1901?
Generally, we will celebrate our birthdays on every year.
Okay,
correct?
yeah, it's a leap year, right?
It'll be
Every
after
year
4
we celebrate.
years.
After
Like on the next
96,
leap
there
year.
should be 97. In 97, is it available?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, so it will be March 1st, right, sir?
98?
No, sir.
No, sir. It'll be
99?
after it'll be until the next
No,
leap year.
sir.
Yeah, even in 1900 also it is not available. February 29th is
Yes,
not
sir.
there in 1900 also.
Yes.
So the next leap year will be 1904. then his birthday will be on 29th February 1904. Just
Yes,
for
sir.
one
But he's
birthday, he
unlucky.
has to wait for 8 years.
Sad guy.
Okay, just for one birthday, he has to wait for 8 years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, generally, if it is on 29th February, every 4 years he will celebrate. But if this is the case somewhere, then he has to wait for 8 years. This 8 years is not always. Always it is 4 years only. Generally, sometimes it can be 8 years also.
sir, so
Okay.
that person will be unlucky.
Sorry?
That person will be unlucky.
Ah, yes. Why unlucky? He can celebrate his birthday very grandly because it is after 8 years.
Sir, but 8 years after our mood will be spoiled. Not
If you
spoiled, sir,
celebrate-
but they will say,
if you
we are 10th
celebrate-
class, you are 10th class, we don't want to celebrate a year. They will say,
There, if he celebrate 3-4 birthdays like that, his lifetime is over.
yes.
Okay, 1500. Leap or non-leap?
Not leap
Non-
year.
No, sir.
Not leap year.
1600.
Leap year.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
it is
sir.
leap year.
Leap year. 1700.
No,
Not
sir.
a leap
Non
year.
leap year.
No.
No, sir.
2100.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
2400.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Okay. So for centuries, this is the rule, and for normal years, divisible by 4 only. Now
Yes.
I think you are clear with this. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now our next slide is identification of number of leap years. Identification of number of leap years. So what is the previous slide? If any year number is given, are you able to say it is a leap or non-leap?
Yes, sir. We can.
But here I will give certain duration. I will give certain duration. In that duration, how many leap years will be there? You have to tell. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me, in 2 consecutive years, how many leap years will be there?
0.
Guaranteed 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No,
it can be
sir.
one.
It
Sir,
might
one.
be.
Yes, sir. It might be
One.
It
0.
might be a leap year, sir. Like if
Sir,
it is
one.
1903 and 19.
Yeah, in 2
Might be
consecutive
a-
years, how many
I think
confirmed
zero.
leap years will be there?
Sir,
Sir,
can you
one.
repeat?
No,
In
sir,
2
zero.
consecutive years, in 2 consecutive years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
Sir, you can't say that.
Yeah,
Because
can't
zero
say.
You cannot say that, sir. Zero.
Can't say. But you can give possibilities, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
That's
can
sales
be how
is
many?
wrong, sir.
0, 1, 2.
0 or 1 or 2.
Or 2. 2 is
Zero.
also possible.
No, not 2, sir.
No, sir,
Only
not
0 and 1.
only
Yeah,
0 and
because
1.
two
Only 0 and
leap
1.
years cannot be adjacent. That's why 2 is not possible. But 0 or 1, yes or no?
Yes,
0
sir.
or 1. Yeah. In 3 consecutive years, how many leap years will be there?
The 0 or 1.
0
0 or 1.
or 1.
0 or 1. In 4 consecutive years, how many leap years will be there?
1.
0, 1 or 2.
Yeah.
One.
So from here, we'll consider general case only, not 100% case. We'll consider general case only. General case means the most repeated case. Most repeated case. So see, our general point is here I'm writing. Okay, here I'm writing. Generally, for every 4 years, there will be a leap year, correct?
Also, an exam we have to consider generally.
Yeah, generally for every 4 years there is a leap year. Can you tell me the same point keeping in mind centuries? Generally for every how many years there will be a leap year with respect to centuries? What is the
Sir,
first?
every 4 only. Like every 4 centuries.
Sir, 4.
Not
4
4.
centuries.
No. Okay, tell. What is the first century? 100. Yes or no?
Just 2 centuries, sir.
First tell me this point. What is the first century? 100, correct? Next century?
Yes, sir.
200.
Next century?
300.
Next century?
Hmm.
Is it a leap?
No, sir.
No. Is it a leap?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it a leap?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Is it a
sir.
leap?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it's a leap year. Means with
Sir.
respect to 2 centuries, what is the first leap year?
400.
400.
400. When will be the next leap year?
800.
800.
800. Next leap year?
1200.
Oh, no.
So yes,
Sure.
we can say the same point with respect to centuries in this way. Generally,
1200.
for every 400 years, there will be a leap year. Yes or no? Generally, for every 400 years, there will be a leap year with respect to centuries. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But this is true until 1000 year, right?
Sorry?
Like after 1000, every leap year occur after 4 years, right? After 1000.
Even after 1000 also, every leap year, for every 4 years, there is a leap year. That is what you are telling. Kavya, tell me again.
Yes. Yes, I'm telling the same thing that after 1000.
Okay, 1000, is it a leap year?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. 1100, is it a leap year?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. 1200.
Yes,
From the
sir.
beginning, the
Yes, sir,
point
it
is
is.
same. From the beginning, the point is same.
Okay.
1200 is a leap year because it is divisible by 400. That's
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
okay. Generally, we'll consider general case only. Most repeated case is general case.
So
That is
these
why
are
we'll-
general or standard?
Sorry,
These are general or standard?
all these are the standard points only.
No, sir. Now which you are teaching is general or standard?
Okay, method.
Yes, sir.
The basic concepts are same for both standard method and the shortcut method. Basic
Okay.
concepts are same.
Okay, sir.
We are learning these things for both the methods. Okay. Tell. In 2 consecutive years, there will be one or none leap years. Yes or no? 2 consecutive years. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. In 3 consecutive years, can't say. If possibilities are 1 or
One.
0.
1 or 0.
And in 4 consecutive years, we can
1.
say 1 is confirmed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In
One
most
or
repeated
two.
case, I'm considering most repeated case.
Sir, it can be 2 also, right?
No, it cannot be 2 because in a 4 years gap, you cannot get 2 leap years at a time. You can check for any duration. You can check. You will never get 2 leap years at a time in 4 years gap. Okay, if we start with suppose 1996, so it will be 97, 98, 99. So there is only 1 leap year. Nihar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In 5 consecutive years, how many leap years will be there?
So,
So
1,
1 or 0?
1
or
or 0.
No,
0.
1 or 2.
2.
Okay, if we consider the next year also, 5th year also, if it is a leap year, then again it will be a leap year. Yes
Sir,
or
I
no?
didn't understand.
Sorry?
I didn't understand this part.
Okay. Okay, consider
Sir,
this
so the
point.
1996, after 1996, 2000 will also be a leap year, right?
Yeah, 2000 is a leap year. So is it not a 5 years gap?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's 5 years.
Taiba, is it a 5
4,
years gap
4.
or not?
4.
Yes, sir.
5 years, 2000, including 2000, it's a 5 years gap. In
Yes,
5 years,
sir.
how many leap years will be there? Either 2 or 1.
1 or
Sir, how it will be 1 means if you start with, instead of starting with 1996, if you start with 1997, so 97, 98, 99, 2000 is a leap year. And after that, 2001 is not a leap year. In these 5 years, how many leap years are there?
1.
Only 1. So that's why a 5 years gap consists of only either 1 or 2.
Okay, sir.
But if my question is, how many confirmed leap years will be there in 5 years?
1.
This 1 is guaranteed. Second, we can't say, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
In 6 years, how many leap years will be there? Confirmed leap years?
1.
1.
1 guaranteed. In 7 years?
1.
1.
1 guarantee.
Guaranteed.
One
In 8
guarantee,
years?
sir.
1 guarantee.
2 guarantees. sir.
Guaranteed.
Yes,
Yes or no? For every
Guaranteed.
leap year, so that's why 2 is guaranteed. In 9
Yes,
years,
1.
2 guarantees.
guaranteed.
1.
Okay. So what you are doing here? What we are doing here? We are dividing the given number by 4, correct? we are
Sir,
dividing
but
the
four
given
is
number by
not
4.
divisible by 9.
See, and taking another part. So here, in consecutive 5 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there? Means we will divide 5 by 4, and what is the quotient?
1.
1. 1 is guaranteed, and second that 4 ones are 4, and the remainder. This can be a leap year or not? Cannot be a leap year. This is a possibility, but this is definite. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here the point is to get the number of leap years in a given duration. Divisor is 4. Divisor is 4. Then quotient will be number of leap years. If the divisor is 4, quotient will be the number of leap years. Got the point?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So here I'm taking years. Here leap years.
Now
Here number of
understood.
years, and here number of leap years. So now tell me, in 5 consecutive years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
1. Of course, 1.
Yes, sir.
In 7 consecutive years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
1. 1. 1.
1
1.
only. In 12 consecutive years, how many confirmed leap years will be?
3. 3, sir.
In 15 years, how many confirmed?
3.
3.
3.
3 only. In 25 years,
6.
5. 5.
More.
5.
guaranteed.
6, sir.
Oh,
Six.
What is the quotient? Don't consider remainder. What is the quotient here?
6, sir.
6. Suppose in 47 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
10.
12. No.
12,
Sorry?
sir. 12, sir. 12.
No, 12 will
11.
exceed.
11, 11,
10.
11, sir.
11, 11, sir.
Yeah, 11 guaranteed. 11 is guaranteed. So in 65 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
16.
16.
Yes, sir. 16 confirmed ones.
Yeah, 16 confirmed, and that extra year we cannot say is can be a leap year or cannot be a leap year. And now tell me, in 75 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there? Check the quotient. 4, how many times it will go in 75? 4 ones are 4, and the remainder is 3, 35. In 35, 8 times it is 30. 18. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In 95 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
Sir,
Sir, 13.
13.
13.
13.
no, sir, 20.
Sorry. I mean
23.
23, sir. 23.
23.
Sorry, my mistake.
Correct. 23.
Okay.
In
Right, sir.
97 years,
97.
24.
yeah, 24, because now 24, 96 is divisible by 4, correct? 24.
Yes, sir.
In 99 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
44.
24 only.
24.
In 100 years, first 100 years, how many confirmed leap years will be there?
25.
The 25.
So
Sir,
where is that
24.
25th year? What is that 25th leap year?
Sir, it's not divisible by.
Sir, it might be, yeah, it is 24, sir. Like, it's not confirmed.
It's 24 only. Okay. So here I'm writing the pointer. In first 100 years. In first 100 years, how many leap years will be there?
24.
24.
24 leap years will be there. Because 100th year is not a leap year, that's why. Okay. All of you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, are you saying that the 100th year is not a leap year, but the up till 100, the 99 years will have 24?
Even if you consider 100th year also, it is 24 only. Because 100th year is not a century. Sorry, it is not a leap year. That's why.
Sir, but it is coming
Okay.
to
What, Taiba? It is
means when we divide, it is coming to.
when you divide.
Yes, sir, it is coming 20.
No. When you divide 100 by 4, it will be 25. Quotient is 25. But 25 leap years will not be there. 24 only. Because 100th year is not a leap year. This 100th year is not a leap year. That's okay. You can speak and you can go to mute. Okay. Without speaking, don't go to mute. Okay. Then we'll continue further. Okay, now we are going to take an important word in calendar, and complete calendar topics runs on this word only. That is odd days. So what is this odd days?
Like
What
1,
are these
3,
odd days?
7, which are not even number.
Okay. So this is not actually even.
Not divisible by 2.
No. Okay, tell me, in odd days will be there.
Sir, can you repeat your question?
In 10 days, how many odd days will be there?
Sir,
So 5.
1,
So
3, 7.
5.
So 3.
So 5.
So here I'm writing number of days.
So your voice is low.
Number of days remaining. Number of days remaining after
3, sir.
completion of days. Okay, number of days remaining after completion of days. These are
Sir, I cannot hear you.
all of you. Are you able to hear my voice?
Sir, we
It
can
is
hear
very
you,
low,
but your
sir.
voice is very low.
Why? We'll continue whenever disturbance comes. If disturbance came, I'll repeat it again. Is it clear? Number of days remaining after weeks, after completion of weeks.
Sir, can you give an example?
In 10 days, how many leap years will be there? 10 days means we divide it by 7. 7 ones are 7. So it is tell 3
3,
days.
sir.
3 days are remaining.
So 3 is the number of odd days, sir.
Yeah, 3 is the number of odd days. So that
Okay,
is
sir.
what I have written here. Number
So
of
we have to
days
divide by
after
7.
completion of weeks. 10 days equal to, can I say 10 days equal to 1 week plus 3 days? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So the
3 days
basically
are odd days.
the days not remaining in week are odd days.
Yeah, days which are not there in weeks, which are not considered in weeks. Okay, now tell me 15 days consists of how many weeks? Sorry, how many odd days?
1.
1.
1, because we can say this as 2 weeks plus 1 day. That 1 day is the odd day.
Sir, how?
How? 15 days consists of 2 weeks plus 1 day. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
That 1 day, extra days are odd days.
Oh, yes, sir. Understood.
Please this point carefully. Number of days are remaining after completion of weeks.
Yes, sir. Understood.
You should understand this point only clearly. After understanding this point only, we can move ahead.
Sir,
Otherwise-
I understood.
No. I'll ask some more doubts, sir, to clarify them. I'll give some duration, and I'll ask for odd days. Days and odd days. Tell me, 10 days consists of how many odd days?
3,
3. 15 days,
1.
1.
1.
45 days,
3.
3.
3 only, because it is divisible. Sorry, when you divide this number by 7, the remainder is 3, correct? So here, can I say the point instead of telling the point in this way, instead of telling number of days remaining after completion of weeks, sir, can I say the point in this way? If the divisor is 7, if the divisor is 7, then remainder equal to number of odd days and chapter. Can I say remainder equal to number of odd days?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? All of you, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, if the divisor is 7, then remainder will be the number of odd days. That is the point. 45 when divided by 7, remainder is 7 6 of 42 and the remainder is 3. 3 is the number of odd days. Okay, then January consists of how many odd days? January
Four.
consists of
Four.
how many odd days?
4.
4 odd days.
3,
Sorry,
sir.
sir. 3. Sorry, sir. I mean 3. Sorry.
Yeah, generally
Sorry.
every year January consists of how many days?
31.
31.
31 when divided by 7, what is the remainder?
So 3 will be the remainder.
3 remainder, because 28 is divisible, exactly divisible. That's why 3 is the remainder. So 3 days, 3 odd days. Next, how many odd days will be there in November?
So 2.
2, because every November consists of
30 days.
30 days. 30 when divided by 7, remainder is 2.
2.
February consists of how many odd days?
So if it's a leap year, 1. If it's not a leap year, then 0.
Nothing. 0.
Yes, very good. If February consists of 28 days, it will be 0. If February consists of 29 days, it will be 1. So we cannot say, we can give possibilities like this. Okay. Is it definite or possibilities? These two.
The possibility.
No, they are definite because they will not change every year.
Okay, sir.
Okay, they will not change year to year, but it will change. Sometimes it will change. That's why it's a. Now say an ordinary year consists of how many odd days? An ordinary year consists of how many odd days? Ordinary year, nothing but
1 minute.
So 1, sir.
ordinary.
So only 1 day.
Non-leap year. So generally an ordinary year consists of 365 days. So 365 when you divide it by 7,
One.
remainder will be
1.
So 1, but it's
So we'll get 1.
1. That's why this is. So the beginning I forgot to write this point here only. Yes, 365 days. Can I say how many weeks will be there in 365 days? 365 days. Weeks.
52 weeks.
Yes, very good. 52 weeks. Plus how many days are remaining?
1 day.
1 day.
1 day.
I'm showing that one. See, 365 and you divide it by 7. 5 times it is 35. Remainder 1 and it is 5. 15. So in 15, 7, 2 times will go. So 15, sorry, 7 2s are 14 and the remainder is 1. So 365 days consists of 52 weeks plus 1 day. 52 weeks plus 1 day. So here we are saying this is one extra day, but now we can say this 1 day is the odd day. Okay. And 366 days. A non-leap year consists of how many odd days? A non-leap year consists of how many odd days?
1 odd day.
1 odd day. 366 days. How can we say in terms of weeks and
Yeah,
days?
it's completely divisible, right?
No.
Sorry. I mean 2 days are remaining. Sorry.
Yeah, 2 days, because 365 days consists of 1 day extra, means 366 days consists of 2 days extra.
सिस्टर को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे
7:30 का बोल रहा है.
हाँ?
7:30 का बोल रहा है.
7:30 को 7.
What happened?
7.
Okay. Then here we are. Is there any range for odd days? Is there any range for odd days?
No, sir.
Based on this point, you can say, is there any range for odd days?
Yes, sir. 2 days a year.
Tell me any number. You take any number when it is divided by 7. What are the remainder possibilities?
So 1 to 6.
1 to 6 only. If the number is
So
14,
0 to 6.
then what is the remainder?
Sir, it's 0 to 6.
If it's
Yeah,
exactly,
0 to 6.
but then sir, 0 will be the remainder, right? So it's like no possibility for odd day.
No. I'm asking any number when divided by 7, remainder possibilities are 0 to 6, correct? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is why we can say here 0 less than or equal to odd days less than or equal to 6. Correct? 0 less than or equal to odd days less than or equal to 6. So odd days can never exceed 6 number 6. Odd days will never exceed number 6. If it is exceeding number 6 means we'll again will bring it to below 6 only by taking quotient, extra quotient. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, an ordinary year consists of
1 odd day.
1 odd day. Ordinary year or non-leap year, or we can say it is a normal year also. Normal year consists of 1 odd day. A leap year consists of
2 odd days.
2 odd days.
Yeah, I'm saying 1 leap year. Okay, 1 leap year consists of how many odd days? 2 odd days. Okay, then tell me 4 leap years consists of how many odd days?
8.
8. Is it in our range?
No, sir, 1 odd day.
No. If it is 8, yes, sorry. If it is 8, again we have to bring it to below 7, right?
So 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have to remove. What you said is correct, 8 only. But before telling this answer, we have to remove 1 more 7 because it is possible to remove. So then it will be 1. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. 1 odd day will be there. All of you got it? Actually, 4 leap years.
Could you repeat the 7 concept? I didn't understand that part.
So here my question is about odd days, correct?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? What you said, 4 leap years consists of how many odd days? Nihal?
8.
Actually,
8.
you said 8, but this
Yes.
8 is exceeding our range. Again, you have to bring it to in our range. So
Okay.
8 consists of again 1 week plus that 8 we can say 1 week plus 1 day, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have to consider only this extra day, not all the days.
Okay, sir.
You can remove, we can ignore that 1 week. So that's why it is 4 leap years consists of 1 odd day. Okay. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. From
So it's
first
59, sir.
1st February, or I'll ask first this. In 1995 up to August 25th, how many odd days will be there? Tell. In 1995 year, up to 25th August, how many leap years will be there? From where we need to start? From January, correct?
All the months days.
From January. In 1995 year, we have to start from January, correct?
Yes, sir.
So January plus February plus March plus April plus May plus June plus July plus August up to 25th only.
25
August
days.
25th. Okay, now tell. How many odd days are there in January?
3.
3 odd. February?
0.
0. How can you say 0?
Zero.
Because it is a
non-leap year.
It's
non-leap year,
non-leap
that's
year.
why 0. March?
3.
3.
3.
April?
2.
2.
May?
3.
3.
3. June?
2.
2. July?
3.
3. And August up to 25th only. So in 25 days, how many leap years will be there? Sorry. How many odd days will be there?
The 4.
7 divisibility and the remainder is 4, correct?
4.
Yeah. So actually here we have to add all the numbers and divided by 7, and we have to consider the remainder actually. But here instead of adding all the numbers and doing divided by 7, we can cancel 7 multiples, correct?
Yes, sir.
3
Yes,
plus
sir.
3 is how much?
7.
7. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is how much?
7.
7. And the remainder is 6 is the remainder.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Here, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell, Shreyan.
Sir, in January 31st, we got means we can get it, sir. 31 by 7 is equal to 31 by 3 only, no, sir.
Remainder is 3, yes.
Remainder is 3. But have you got April as 2, sir?
April,
30
every
days.
April consists of 30 days only.
30 days. 30 by 7 is equal to 4, no, sir.
1
4,
4 are
3
28
only.
and the remainder is?
Okay, remainder.
Here we have to consider remainder, not quotient, remainder.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And I'm asking one more question. In 2004, in 2004, fourth year, 2004th year, up to May, May 13. Tell. From where we need to start?
So January.
From January. January consists of how many odd days?
3, sir.
So 3.
3. February?
0.
1.
0 because it's a, sorry, 0 or 1. Sorry, it is.
It should be 1, right?
1, sir. 1, sir.
Leap
Because
year.
it's leap year. Leap
Sir,
year.
1 because it's a leap year.
So 1 because it's a
Yeah,
leap year.
because it's a leap year, 1. March?
3.
3.
3. April?
2.
2.
May?
Yeah.
6.
Actually 3.
6, sir.
That means
6.
May
6, sir.
13 days only. 13 days consists of 1 week plus
6
days.
1 week split 6 days.
Yeah, here again cancel 7 multiples.
So 1 and
Can I
6.
say 3 plus
3
1 plus
1
3?
plus 2. Sorry, 3.
Yes,
No,
yes, sir.
no, sir, only 3 plus 3, right?
No. 3 plus 3 6, right?
3 plus 3,
Oh,
6
yeah,
plus
yeah.
1,
You
7.
have to do
So we
7, yes,
cancel
sir,
7
fine.
multiples. And the
Eight,
remaining
sir.
number?
8, sir. 8 is remainder.
But 8 is not our answer. In 8 also, what is the remainder? When divided by 7?
1.
1. That's all. That 1 is the number of odd days in this duration. Okay.
That means why years, sir? 6 you took, no, sir. Here you took 6, no, sir.
So here, because it is below 6, below 7,
Okay.
that's why we have
Okay.
considered.
Okay.
Because it is 8 means again 1 week plus 1 day.
Okay, sir.
So that 1 day is required, not 8 days. So always remember that point. The range of odd days is it should be between 0 and 8. Sorry. 0
Okay.
and
6, 7. Okay, sir. Sir, time up.
okay. Time up.
So it's 5-4.
Sir, you did not cover a question, sir. I think you'll cover next class, sir.
Actually, I thought
Tomorrow is our next class,
at least one question, but it is not possible.
Sir, that question will be very tricky, sir. 1995 August.
That question is already ready. Let's see. This one, I think.
Yes, sir. Sir, this one, not this, sir. Exactly not this, sir. In 1947, August 15th is in Monday. So
No.
when in 19, that also is there, sir. Means example, sir.
15th August 19. Okay. You are telling your own question. Okay.
Yes, sir. If they will ask me, sir, they will ask 15th August 1947 is in Monday. What is
Then
the
what is the day of another date?
Sir, it's 5
19?
So can you tell the answer for the first one? I want to
What,
say
Kavya?
day of the week.
What Kavya?
Can you tell the answer for the first question?
First question. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us try to solve this question based on the concepts we have learned up to now. Okay, see, to solve this question in standard method, we have to divide this question into 2 parts. So first part is, first of all, we have to find the number of odd days in just tell me, is the 1947 years completed or not completed? Up to this date, below this date, the 1947 years completed or not completed?
Sir, it's completed.
No. It is actually running, I think.
It is asking
Sir,
the
no, sir,
day
how?
of the week for 15th August.
Just tell me, I'll ask in another way. How many years are completed below this date? How many years are completed below this date?
1947.
1947 is running, it is not completed. We are in August only, up to
So
August.
1946
in
is
1946 years, sir.
Yeah, 1946 years are
1946.
completed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But if we take zero year and the first year, like after the zero, the first year is completed, then we call it as the first year, right?
First.
Sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, correct.
That means 1 year is already completed by the time we say it is the first year, right?
No, no, no. That is the 0th year only. This is the first year. This is first year running.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. I am not asking the age, like age. I am asking below this date how many years are completed. How many years are completed? 1946 completed, 47th running. Yes or no? Is just tell me by this date. Today, what is date? 23rd
23rd August
August
2021.
2021. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is 2021 completed?
No, sir.
No, sir.
How many years are completed?
2020.
2020 completed. Now clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So below this date, completed years, sir.
So 1946.
Odd days. Actually, that is not completed yet. Odd days in completed years. Okay. I cannot complete this question. I cannot complete this question
Yes,
in this
sir.
time.
It's 5-7. Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, we'll stop here and I'll explain these points in the next class. Means tomorrow. Okay.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Try
you,
to
sir.
complete the topic tomorrow. You should you should you should not interrupt me. Otherwise, it will not be completed in the next class also.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sure.
sir.
Okay, right. Okay, right. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye, bye.